how to manage customers in the BOAhub. So under the settings tab, again, you've got a section called My Customers. You can bulk upload your customers using CSV upload, or you can add them one by one by add new. Then you can maintain your records, editing, updating, changing details as well. You use the My Customers from the jobbing function. So if we create a new job and then click into the customer field, you've got a drop-down list of all of your saved customers. If who you're making the job out to isn't an existing customer, you can input manually, and if you want to retain them in your database for future use, they will save when the job is pushed through to completed status. So you can continuously build out your list of customers through the jobbing function as well. Now, if we have allowed the customer specific discount function from the pricing setting, we can apply a discount to an individual customer. And in this example here, I have firstly ticked the option down here and then set a 10% discount to this customer. And when I create a job card to test customer 1, a 10% discount is applied to any hoses made for that customer and any BOA supplied inventory components. The discount isn't applied to non-BOA inventory or the labour and travel charges, so it only applies to the consumables that BOA provide. And that's reflected both here on the job card, and then if you push the invoice, if you're using the Xero integration for invoicing, then this discount flows through to the invoice as well.